Ho, ho, ho.
Welcome to DevJoe. This channel is dedicated to helping you improve your experience on Discord through tips, advice, and tutorials. If you're looking to level up your Discord game and join an active community, you're in the right place. We're excited to share our knowledge with you and see you join our community. Don't forget to subscribe and join our Discord server to stay updated on our latest videos and chat with other community members.
Now let go.
Go to Settings, Roles, and click on Create Role. You can choose the role settings here display up to you. Then click on Permissions. And at the bottom of the page, enable Administrator permission. Don't forget to save at the bottom, not like me. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more similar content. Feel free to leave a comment to let us know your feedback or suggestions for future videos.